Hello everyone, welcome back to my English library. In this video, I introduce you the tense. And dear all the students who wants to learn English are preparing for the board exam, it's very important you need to remember that using the right tense at the right time is very important. Hence, you need to focus on tenses more than any other topic. Tense is the gateway to all other grammar rules. So, it's like a heart of the language. You need to focus more on the tenses. Right. So, my dear students, I sincerely advise you give first priority to the tense. Then everything will be easy for you. And don't feel bored. I'm giving you the same old sayings or old dialogues. The truth is the truth always. I hope you know that. And you need to remember one thing. There are many short ways to learn English for speaking. It's easier, and a number of videos we have on YouTube and social media teaching you how to learn spoken English. But for a student who is appearing for the board exams and who has a target of getting highest mark in English, there are no shortcuts. You should learn the basics of the language. Then you can build a mansion of the language. It's of course, it happens. Coming to the today's topic, as I already told you, I introduce you the tense in this class. There will be some more parts coming up shortly on the same topic, tenses. We will dig the tenses deeper in the coming videos. Like any other language, English also has 3 timings in it. The past, which is completed, the present, which we are in now, and the future, the time coming up, means the next happening moments. Let us see the 3 sentences in 3 different timings. I write this letter to please you. I wrote this letter yesterday. I shall write another letter tomorrow. When you see the above sentences, we have a verb commonly write, which refers to the time of the action, of course. In the first sentence, if you see, write refers to the present time. The second sentence, wrote, indicates the past action, means the past tense. And in the third sentence, write preceded by shall. Of course, shall plus write. It refers to the future time. These 3 main tenses say about the action or events time period. To tell about particular timings of the actions or events, we have divisions of these 3 tenses. There are 4 divisions in each tense. The first division is simple tenses. The second one is continuous tenses. The third one is perfect tenses. And the fourth one is perfect continuous tenses. Okay, first let us discuss simple tenses. Simple tenses are like simple present, simple past, and simple future. These simple tenses are also called indefinite tenses because they cannot define the perfect time of the action or event. We call them indefinite tenses. Don't worry, I will simplify it for you. If you see examples for these 3 tenses, I want to write a book. I wrote a book last year. I shall write a book next year. If you see these 3 sentences, I want to write a book. It's a simple sentence in present tense. We cannot say when it happens or of course may or may not happen. It is just a wish of doing something, alright? May or may not happen. So there is no definite time in the verb. So we cannot define when the action happened. The same way, if you see the second sentence, I wrote a book last year. It is a simple past sentence. It doesn't say exactly when. A year is a period of 365 days, right? It doesn't say exactly when it happened. So it is also an indefinite tense. Also, the third sentence doesn't have any clear time. Okay, so now these three simple tenses are indefinite tenses, are simply simple tenses like simple present, simple past, and simple future. So we express the actions or events that we cannot define the time exactly can be expressed in all these three simple tenses. I hope you got it. The second division, continuous tenses. Present continuous, past continuous, and the future continuous. Continuous tenses say about the continuity of any action or event. Present continuous says about an action or event continuing presently. Mean in the present time, any action, if it is in progress, that we can speak in present continuous tense. So examples are available there. I am walking. I am walking in the sense it's a present action. I am walking now. Mean present, it's a happening thing. She is singing. She is singing in the sense it's happening now. Singing is happening now. Now she is singing. So here walking, singing are present happening things. Coming to the past continuous tense as about any action or event, it continued for some time in the past. The time of action may or may not be indicated, that is different. Mean how long it continued, when it continued in the past, time may or may not be known. See the example, you can get clarity. It was raining all the day. It was raining all the day. Mean maybe yesterday it was all raining. And when I saw him, he was playing chess. So here it is identified time. When he was playing chess, when I saw him. Okay. Mean the identified time is when I saw him is the identification of the time when the action was going on. These are past happening things. Alright. And the future continuous tense is about the actions or events that will be progressive in the future time. If you see a sentence for future continuous, I guess it will be raining tomorrow. We will be staying here till next Sunday. If you have a glance at these three sentences, the two sentences saying about something which will be continuing in the next coming times. They are future continuous tenses. I don't mean to tell you in detail about any tense in this video, so I'm going lighter. Only around the skeleton. So the detailed discussion will be in the next videos. Every tense will be discussed completely and thoroughly. So just have an idea about what is tense. Okay. Coming to the third division of the tense is perfect tenses. They are present perfect, past perfect, and the future perfect tenses. The present perfect says about the activities completed in the immediate past. Immediate past means just. We can use the word just to express this perfect tense in present. Just we can say like he has just gone. He has just gone out. She has just finished her homework. Mean just finished works, just happened works. We can express it present perfect. Alright, and coming to the next one, the past perfect. The past perfect says about the actions or activities that completed before a certain moment in the past. They are completed before a certain moment in the past. They are called past perfect activities. The next one is the future perfect. Describes the actions that will be completed by a certain time in the future. Mean in the future, something will happen at a particular time. That we can express in future perfect tense. Mean I shall have finished my job by the time you reach here. Mean the time you arrive, I'll have finished my job. Okay. Mean by the time at a certain time, by a certain time in the future, something else will complete. This comes under future perfect. You can see another example. He will have worked here for 10 years by the end of this month. Mean by end of this month, mean by the completion of this month, he finishes his 10 years tenure in this place. Okay, I hope you got it. They are perfect tenses like present perfect, past perfect, and future perfect. And of course, lightly describe it. Moving to the last division of the tense, they are perfect continuous tenses. Present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, and the future perfect continuous tense. These tenses in a simple word, perfection and continuation, both in a single sentence, right? That's simply perfect continuous tenses. I hope I could edify you about the tense. And the next session is on the present tense. There, where we use present tense and how many ways we can use present tense. In detail, we will talk about the present. The exercise also will be there at the end of the video. Please watch that video also. That comes very shortly. That's all for now. Catch you with another video. Thank you very much. See you soon.